Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about: how to change your Google Play country using a VPN. Now, before we get started, it's crucial to note that while Google doesn't strictly prohibit this, some app and game publishers might have policies against it. Always check the user agreement before diving in. Now, let's get straight to the steps on how to change your Google Play country with a VPN on your Android device. 1. Choose a good VPN. Start by selecting a reliable VPN service and install it on your Android device. 2. Log in with your credentials. Usually, this involves entering your username and password. 3. Connect to a server in the desired country. Pick the country whose Google Play Store you want to access. 4. Open Android settings and go to Apps. Navigate to your device settings, then find and select Apps. 5. Go to Google Play Store, scroll through your apps, find Google Play Store, and tap on it. 6. Force stop Google Play Store. Once inside, tap on Force Stop to close the app. 7. Clear cache and data. While still in the Google Play Store settings, clear both the cache and data. 8. Launch Google Play Store. Open the Play Store again and check the results. After completing these steps, check the currency symbols on paid apps. If they match the currency of your selected VPN server location, congratulations! You've successfully changed your Play Store country. Feel free to repeat this process with different locations as needed. Remember, VPNs will only temporarily change your country in Google's eyes. You can turn off the VPN at any time to return to your original Play Store country. However, choosing the right VPN is crucial for a smooth experience. And there you have it, a quick and concise guide on how to change your Google Play country using a VPN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.